No push. What's good, YouTube? You know the vibes, man. It's Mrzwavs. Today is a crazy one, bro. We gonna be sneezing on people, bro. I got my little bottle, yeah, dog. You know, nobody likes to be sneezed on, but this is just water, fam. You know, it's all fun and games. No, I just wanna capture the people's reaction. But I hope you're gonna love this one. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, man. You know what? Spread the love, like the button, comment. We're out. Sorry, bro. Kinda sick, bro. What? Sorry, bro. Is it that? Sorry, dog.
What the hell, boy? Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Oh, sorry, mama. Sorry, ne. Sorry, ne. Yo.
Hey, yo, what the?
Oh, sorry, mama. Sorry, ne. Sorry, ne. Yo.
Hey, yo, what the fuck? Bruh.
Sorry. Sorry, mama. Ne, sorry. Sorry, mama, ne. Sorry. Yo. Oh, did I put it on you? Yeah. Oh, sorry, mama. I'm kind of sick. Sorry, ne? Shit, it's crazy. Oh, who's it? I'm kind of sick. That's why. Yo, sorry, man. Yo, sorry. I'm kind of sick, dog. Yo, sorry, man. Sorry, ne? Sorry, man. Sorry, ne? See some guys here, dog.
What's wrong, my man?
Bro, I'm sick, dog. Like,
What you
sick, bro. Like,
bring that what's up, my bro?
dog, like, no pushing, bro. I'm sick, dog. No.
No.
No pushing, bro. Like, bro, I'm sick, bro. Yes, sir. I'm sick, bro. I'm sick, bro.
You okay, bro?
Nah, I'm sick, bro. I'm sick. Nah, we cool, right?
No, I'm good.
Cool, yeah, sure. Nah, bro, it's a prank, bro. It's a prank.
Pray.
It's a prank, bro.
Oh, yeah, okay.
It's a prank.